Today, we are going to learn how to speak ing together.
That sounds fun. We'll practice useful sentences that we can use.
Exactly. Let's start cooking and speaking English at the same time. Good morning, dear. Are you ready to help me in the kitchen?
Good morning, Mom. Yes, I'm ready. What are we cooking today?
We are going to make a simple vegetable soup and fried chicken.
That sounds delicious. What should I do first?
First, let's carefully wash all of these fresh vegetables. Can you please wash the vegetables in the sink?
Sure, I will wash them carefully.
Thank you. Then, please peel these carrots.
Do I need to use the peeler or the knife?
You can use the peeler. It's safer for you.
Okay, I finished peeling. What's next?
Now please chop the carrots into small pieces.
Like this? Is this size okay?
Yes, that's perfect. You're doing a great job.
Should I cut the onions too?
Yes, please, but be careful with your eyes.
Oh, onions always make me cry.
Wear these goggles if it's too hard for you.
Ha ha, that's a funny idea. I think I'll be fine.
Great. Now, can you get the frying pan from the cupboard?
Is it this one? The large one?
Yes, that's the one. Put it on the stove, please.
Should I turn on the heat now?
Yes, keep the heat on medium for now.
Should I add some oil to the pan?
Yes, add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil.
Okay, the oil is getting hot. What should I put in first?
Put in the onions and stir them slowly.
They smell so good already.
Now add the chicken pieces to the pan.
Should I flip them after a few minutes?
Yes, flip them when they turn golden brown.
How long does the chicken take to cook?
It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes.
Can I start preparing the soup now?
Yes, put the vegetables into the pot of water.
Do I need to add any salt or pepper?
Yes, add a pinch of salt and a little pepper.
I really like the smell of the herbs.
Herbs make everything taste much better.
Is the soup boiling yet?
Not yet. Let's wait for a few more minutes.
Should I set the table for lunch?
That would be very helpful, thank you.
Where are the plates and forks?
They're in the drawer next to the fridge.
I've set the table. Everything looks ready.
Perfect. The soup is ready and the chicken is done.
I'm so hungry now. Let's serve the food.
Be careful, the bowls are hot.
I'll use the oven mitts.
Good idea. Safety first in the kitchen.
This is a very good lunch, Mom.
I'm glad you enjoyed cooking with me.